Halley's Comet, without any argument, is the most famous comet. You probably have heard about Halley's Comet or must have seen it when it occurred some year ago. Watch our video till the end to get all the information related to Halley's Comet. So, let's begin. Halley's Comet or Comet Halley, officially designated 1P by Halley, is mainly a frozen ball of ice and short period comet visible from Earth every 75 to 76 years. Halley is the only known short-period comet that is regularly visible to the naked eye from Earth, and the only naked-eye comet that can appear twice in a human lifetime. Halley was last seen in 1986. Halley's returns to the inner solar system have been observed and recorded by astronomers since at least 240 BC. Clear records of the comet's appearances were made by Chinese, Greeks, Babylonian, and medieval European chronicles. But at those times, they didn't recognize the reappearance of the same object. Halley may have been recorded as early as 467 BC, but this is uncertain. A comet was recorded in ancient Greece between 468 and 466 BC. Its timing, location, duration, and associated meteor shower all suggest it was Halley. The comet's periodicity was first determined in 1705 by English astronomer Edmund Halley, after whom it is now named. The first Halley's Comet in 1986 saw several spacecraft approach its vicinity to sample its composition. High-powered telescopes also observed the comet as it swung by Earth. While the comet cannot be studied up close for many decades, scientists continue to perform comet signs in the solar system, looking at other small bodies that can be compared to Halley. Each time Halley returns to the inner solar system, its nucleus sprays ice and rock into space. This debris stream results in two-week meteor showers each year, that is the Orionid and Eta Aquarid in October and May respectively. Halley's dimensions are about 9.3 by 5 miles, that is 15 kilometers by 8 kilometers. It is one of the darkest or least reflective objects in the solar system. It has an albedo of 0.03, which means that it reflects only 3% of the light that falls on it. Halley's orbit period is, on average, 76 Earth years. This corresponds to an orbital circumference around the Sun of about 7.6 billion miles, that is 12.2 billion kilometers. Scientists calculate that an average periodic comet lives to complete about 1000 trips around the Sun. Halley has been in its present orbit for at least 16,000 years, but it has shown no obvious signs of aging in its recorded appearances. An expert described in detail what would happen to Earth if it suddenly collides with the Halley's Comet. He noted that the impact event that would be caused by the comet would be powerful enough to trigger a mass extinction. Another expert, who is a space and science enthusiast, Stephen Stone, noted that Halley's Comet has an estimated diameter of almost 7 miles and travels at speed of up to 156,000 miles per hour. The combination of its size and speed means that if it hits Earth, it would create a massive crater that's 55 miles wide and 20 miles deep. The initial impact from Halley's Comet would generate a magnitude 10 earthquake, which is stronger than anything that has been recorded on Earth. But aside from this, the energy from the impact would generate blast waves, traveling for hundreds of meters, penetrating everything in their path. The blast generated by the comet's collision would be powerful enough to cover the atmosphere in smoke and debris. This would prevent sunlight from penetrating for a long time, which would trigger a nuclear winter. The combination of the powerful explosion, lack of sunlight, and clouds of dust in the air would cause many species of living things to die out. This would then affect the food chain and eventually trigger mass extinctions across different species in various parts of the world. Would you be alive in 2061? If not, you will miss the chance to see the most famous Halley's Comet, which is expected to reoccur in mid-2061. That's it for today's video. The components of universe are a lot complicated for us. Halley's Comet is one of them. Hope you can see a Halley's Comet as it occurs twice in a human lifetime. And yes, surely, if you have that much of a lifeline. How many of you have seen the Halley's Comet when it last occurred? Comment below.